Am I the a-hole for not accommodating my brother's vegan fiance? I consume meat, eggs, and dairy, but I'm frequently too lazy to prepare meat dishes, so I've accumulated a decent repertoire of vegetarian and vegan recipes. That's why I volunteered to cook for a small family dinner last night, even though it's not my usual practice. My mom, bless her, gets somewhat lost unless a recipe starts with browning a pound of ground beef. This was all triggered by my brother's recent engagement to a vegan woman. We haven't spent much time with her because of the pandemic and our own hectic lives, but our interactions so far have been perfectly pleasant. I assumed this dinner would be similar. I did my best. I prepared a Dijon vinaigrette salad, pasta with roasted asparagus and cherry tomatoes, and bread I meticulously checked to ensure it was vegan. She could eat everything, or so I thought. We sit down, plates are served, and she starts questioning things. Understandable. I get her caution with concealed ingredients like honey. I reassured her I did my due diligence, but she had additional grievances. Roasted veggies in olive oil in the dressing, white bread, and non-whole wheat pasta. All vegan, but not low calorie. She refused to eat and just picked at a roll until the meal ended. Later, my brother texted, upset she went home hungry. Here's where I might be the a-hole. I replied that I thought I was accommodating veganism, not an eating disorder. He told me to go fuck myself, which fair enough. Now I sense an impending Cold War, and I suspect mom will get pulled